What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. What's going on? Welcome back to NASDAQ Anonymous, where we DGens have our daily NA meetings. And I'm in need of a meeting today, y'all. I already took an 8K loss trying to play that news. We being transparent, took that 8K loss trying to play the news, and we're open. We are at the open. Let's see where we get though. I'm pivoting my strategy, y'all, because I can't take no more pain in these funded accounts. So I'm about to trade these evals, see if I can get some evals passed and work on those, and then come back to the PAs, because this is just ridiculous. Right now I'm in my take profit eval. I'm like $50 away from passing. No pressure. But actually I won't be, because I made 8K in one trade, which is like the majority of my profit. So I need to make like, I think 3 or 4K just to balance it out so I can meet their consistency. But this thing's like I said, we're at the open, we're ripping right now. I thought there'd be some profit taking here at the open, but I guess not. Excuse me. Yeah. It's time. Yeah, I gotta pivot the strategy, man, because I can't afford to blow these PAs. Can't afford to blow them. So I got the account up. You can see I try to take this. And this is before I took this without even having my levels set. Not thinking irrationally. Like, it was just, and look at that, just trash. So, but let me get y'all in the chat and we can talk about it. Like I said, I'm pivoting my strategy though. I'm not touching this anymore. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. Get this XFA that I took some L's in as well. But ultimately today, if we don't have any crazy events, I think we go higher. I think we probably go higher, try to retest the all-time high that we hit at 1773. We may get pullbacks in between here and there, but I think ultimately we go higher. Yeah, took L's in the XFA too. I'm just like, yo. But hold on, let me get y'all in the chat. Appreciate y'all for joining. Good morning, everyone. It's been one of them weeks for me. I've been trading.
Yeah, we're still recovering.
Yeah,
still recovering from that drop.
For real. I thought I was good today. I don't know why I lied to myself. Still in recovery mode for sure.
Yeah, bad drop. That was a massive drop. Like, missing something like that, it really did change my life. Y'all thought I was playing. Like, that really got me thinking about, like, damn, I totally disregarded market structure and missed a drop like that of a lifetime. You don't get 250 points like that in less than an hour. You don't get that type of price action every day, man.
Yeah, those opportunities are just so rare. Like, they happen, but they're so rare to happen like that. And then I was calling for it too, but then I was like, no, let me flip bullish. And I was like, bulls, what are y'all doing? We supposed to get new all-time highs. Nope. It was like, nah, we gonna show y'all today. You gonna learn today.
Oh yeah, them bears, they came out, dude. And I know a lot of people was talking about that on different forums. That drop. Like, dude, if you was trading real money, either you walked away that day a millionaire, or you had to reevaluate your life. I mean, that was just the reality of that moment. That was literally life-changing. Literally. just being a part of that move.
Yeah, DK, you got your you got your payout though, and you could come back. Look, like I said, I gotta pivot my strategy. I can't touch these accounts anymore until. So what I'm gonna try to do, y'all, I'm gonna switch, and then I blew more evals the other day. Like it's just, I was focused on Hey, that's what Apex does to you, man. That's what they do with this deal. They make that beast come out. Like I was just focused on passing so I could get to the PA side instead of trading. I was too focused on hitting that target. And yeah, Jeremy, today's a new day, but I already effed up my day. That's why I'm like, you know what? You got to pivot your strategy. I got to pivot. I can't touch these PAs right now. So what I'm about to do is
yeah. Okay, so I looked
ahead.
at my charts. If we're trading the charts, right here, I mean, price touched the highs of 22, I believe.
Yeah.
22. Here's what my projection is. Obviously, we're in a bull run up, but if we're going to trade the charts, price should drop in this area. Like honestly, I was projecting 1728. But it got to the highs of 1722. So let's see what happens. Let's see. I mean, today is Friday. You don't ever want to short a Friday, honestly.
Yeah,
because you will get ran over.
There's only been like 2 Fridays that went short that I could remember. Like the rest is always a run up. So here's that drop that I was talking. That potential drop. It's not even significant because we're basically back to. We hit the high of 72 or 22, and then, yeah, that's not even significant. 25 point drop, that ain't nothing to.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
looking at the.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, looking at the SPY gamma. I mean, it's basically positive. We could touch those. Remember we was talking about that 112 level? We could touch that today.
Yeah.
We could touch it. But, like I said, that was a big drop. We're in a level where price can and probably will rebalance.
Yeah, and
we will see what happens.
I was just about to say, like, we pretty much recovered from that drop. Pretty much. We're back in 17K, you know, straddling the line of 17K. We were only up. The high was only 1773. So I'm like, we pretty much recovered all that drop in what, a day? When did the drop happen? Wednesday, right? So in 2 days.
Yeah, I'll never forget that day. You tell my grandkids about that. Like there was that one day in the trading market where it just dropped. And I wasn't a part of it.
I got a part of it, but I was being an idiot. I was in such an emotional state. I was in such a I can't even explain it. It was like entirely different person came out. Like I said, I caught some of it, but I didn't hold on to it. I gave it all back pretty much. So
let's see what happens. I think we got some resistance at 1745-ish, 1750. I think we push until then. If we don't drop here, if we don't drop at this level, I think that's where we push. Where that was with you?
Yeah. So y'all, this is my take profit account. Eval. This is an eval. Like I said, I'm about to take this long here.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm about to take this long because I feel like I'm only at 1. I'm trying to. I think I need, in order to meet their consistency rule, I need like. I was talking to Sherm earlier. I need like maybe a 3K, almost 4K day, but I'm not even thinking about that. Like, let's just trade the freaking just trade. We got point of control on my trading view at 998. This is it's looking like just gonna be a straight moonshot today, with barely any like real pullbacks, man. But
hey Smith, look at your phone real quick. Look at your phone.
We saw what happened. All right, what's up? Yeah, we saw what happened. Let's trail that. Yeah, we saw what happened Wednesday, which was nuts. Oh, they cut me out. Let me see. Oh. Actually, let me take this border off. That's probably what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that. Get that out of here. And then I wonder if I can make that smaller.
So my plan, I want to see what the price action does. Honestly, I want to look to see what happens at 971. I think we get a pullback to at least 971. I don't think we. I mean, it could push up higher. It could, but I'm going to do business at 971, 981, 971 in that area. If I do business before 971, I just need to see a bullish snap. Like I'm thinking maybe 981, but I want to do 971. That's where I want to do business at.
971.
But this could continue to go higher. Who knows? And then it's Christmas this week. I mean,
they want to push all-time high. That's what I'm thinking. They want to push all-time highs and going into the Christmas holiday.
Yeah, because I mean, I guess this is looking like so right now because we're such in a bullish environment and I'm a natural bear. I've been shorting in the sim because I don't trust shorts at all right now. I don't trust it at all. So I've been getting all my my bear energy out in the sim, and I ain't gonna lie, I've been losing money. So my natural instinct to short this market has been losing money in the sim. I did take a long early today. So last night, me and Smith was talking about certain levels. When I was studying the charts last night, I wanted to get in at 893, but because of that big drop we had on Wednesday, I started to doubt holding a position overnight. Obviously, if I was up and I saw that, I definitely would have took it. But just holding a position overnight, not knowing if it's going to touch your target or not, and then how it's going to play out afterwards, I decided to move my my limit down to 876 just in case. And I wake up and I see that not only did it touch 893, but if I trusted my analysis and held from 893, price pumped up 83, almost 100 and something points from my entry. So when I woke up, I got in at 937, and I rode it all the way up to where's that high at? I rode all the way up to 954 before the news, and I got off before the news. I saw that big dump on the news. I got back in at 937, and I closed my position out at 997. See, this is still going up.
Yeah, I see a resistance area between here and then the 40s, like 45, potentially 50.
I think 50 might be that level, honestly. I'm thinking it has to break 50. Because I mean,
in order to keep going up.
Yeah. In order to keep going up, yeah.
Yeah.
You see, look at that. See, I took a short in the stem, and I've lost more money. So obviously, we're in a, like, I mean, my natural instinct is like, damn, it keeps going up. It keeps going up. Like, it's obviously there has to be a short, but I know logically that that we're in a bull market. Shorting this will just result in losing money. And my sim account is basically showing I'm down 7K in my sim trying to short this market, and I'm up 7K in my Apex account longing the market. So
at least you taking your L's out in the sim. That's the smart thing to do. You catching the L's in the sim. You're playing both sides of the fence. We know. You just you take it like you said. You're taking them shorts in the sim because of your natural bearish side, but the good pro trader in you is taking these longs in this freaking bull market. And I was telling myself today, potential buy every pullback, buy every pullback today. Let's look like it's gonna be one of them days where the market's just gonna run up, buy every pullback. Like, that's what I'm seeing right now. Until the market tells me otherwise, that's what I'm seeing right now.
I definitely agree.
Gained weight. I hope you took that profit at 37 or close to it. I hope you weren't looking for that target at 40, like being stubborn for 3 points.
We might get a. Yeah. I mean, now I'm setting up an ATM strategy to move my stop up. Like this morning, I was in a trade, like I was in that long trade, and I swear, like price was going straight up until it reached 2 points away from my target and dropped down. I could not believe, like, damn, like you pushed up. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles. You get 2 points away from my damn target, and you drop. That was frustrating this morning, but obviously I held on to my position, and it was literally only 2 points. I could have just took it, but I'm on my damn target. You know that.
Yeah.
And after it takes my target, it moves up an additional 12 points. That's why the NQ just trust issues. Because she didn't have to do that. She could have just went up to 12 points without doing all that.
Yeah. I'm going to set a limit here to buy at... Because I don't think the pullbacks today are going to be significant enough to... to make you think, is this going short? No, I don't think it's going to be like that. You might get like 20, 30 point pullbacks, but I probably feel more comfortable.
I missed that long opportunity right there. I was going to go long at 18. I think I missed it. Well, I guess I could try to get into this.
I mean, long at 18, 5 minutes, still going, 15-minute. 33 points. My gosh. But we did dip into... So I had this zone here on TradingView. We dipped, from 1730 to 45. Little 15-point range here that I thought that it might struggle at. We hit the struggle point. We hit 1737 twice. You want your target and his hat? Yeah. I want my target, I want my hat.
Hey, man, in order to get that hat, you need them targets, man.
Exactly.
You need them targets filled. Damn it, I don't know.
Target filled.
This is painful, dude. This is painful.
What you mean? Just wait for it. She gonna push. She gonna push eventually. She gonna push. She gonna pull back. I was looking at CL. I thought it almost touched. I think CL pumps today too, potentially. At least crosses 75. I didn't look at it last.
I think I got a limit at 75. Yeah, I got a limit at 75.14.
To what? To short it? 75.14. Yeah.
Yep.
Because it stopped short just of 75. But yeah, I was looking at that. I can take this off. Take that off.
Yeah. I guess I should have gotten this long at NQ.
73.
Like I said, I was going to.
What was all time? What was high? 73.50.
Yeah, 73. You know that. Actually, you know, let me stop. Let me just chill out, man. Let me chill out. Just click for that.
Yeah.
This is something that I have to do, man. I gotta stop trying to long the damn top just because I missed my. I missed it, and that's the one thing Apex will do, because you got all this power, this buying power, and just. Oh, I can scalp this.
Yeah. And that's what I was looking for earlier. I was looking for that stupid scout. It was only a couple points that I was targeting. I was targeting VWAP and potentially the golden zone, and it was like, nope, don't think so. Sorry. Then it ran up. I had limits set. It ran up, took those out, and before I knew it was just too late. Obviously, I went way too heavy in that. But
I ain't gonna lie, that's so hurtful. I wanted to get in at 18. I missed it. I missed it. I wasn't paying attention. It just did it too fast, and we're already up 18, 19 points. I bet the TickStrike is hella green right now, isn't it?
We did get plus 14 on both ES and Q, plus 10 on Apple, plus 10 Google, plus 15 Meta, yeah, plus 13 Microsoft, plus 8 Tesla. So pretty much, yeah, pretty much. I muted. Hey, JC, I think that's what I need. I need to set time limits for myself so I'm not in here for 10 hours. Nah, I told my wife come get me at 11. Yeah, I'm done at 11. So we just made $160 in this one. I'm waiting for an opportunity to get back in. I missed the opportunity that Sharon was talking about, that 17-18 to get in. I'm waiting for a little pullback to get in. I think today you buy every dip type of day. Yeah, yep. Apex, you have to be disciplined. But they bring out that degen. They bring it out. Oh, you're on vacation, JC? Happy anniversary. You still getting it in trading. That's what's up.
Yeah, trading is life, man. Trading is life. My priorities is trading and then everything else.
He said we can go parasailing later. Hope you somewhere nice in a warm climate.
Yeah, Tyrone, it's not worth it. Like, dude, I am itching to go long right here, but it's not worth it.
Yeah, you be kind of long and top right now.
Yeah, this is definitely the top. Well, it's a top for right now. You see that? You see all them orders at 50? Yo, 50. You see that?
No, I'm not looking at.
Moving up their liquidity.
Yeah,
I'm not looking at it.
No, I'm not looking at Bookmap.
Yeah. I mean, it just makes sense. Like, if I'm going to look at the charts, if I'm going to look at the market structure and not disregard it like I did last time, yeah, I think 1750 is going to be that level. It's going to be that level, in my opinion.
Bro, yeah, I was reading on that drop that took off, like, how much was it? 650? Was it 650 million?
Mm.
Or was it? I don't think it was billion. It might have been billion. I don't know. One of the two. I know that's a big difference, but it was 650 either M's or B's. I don't know. Let's see.
Yeah, it looks like on the 15K chart. It looks like this can keep going. Probably like the 54. Yeah, V-Locks right there. See, I need to. Yeah, because I mean, over time, well, that's just the psychological part. Over time, uh, these gambles. I mean, all it takes is one or two losses, and then you're gonna go on tilt.
Yeah.
Um, no matter how many times you win, them losses always hurt the most.
And it just does something to you. It's like some type of chain reaction.
Yeah. So I'm trying to convince myself not to jump in this because I mean I made the money already this morning, but obviously my mind is saying it's not enough. I don't think this is a long, but man, is my inner voice trying to convince me to jump in this long. Man, just take the scout, man. This is the scout, man. It's only 9 points. It's only 10 points. Take the scout.
But is that what she's given right now?
No,
right now she's just dancing around these levels right here. She's not really handing out them 9-10 point scalps.
Nope.
We said we got news at 10.
Oh, we got news in 5 minutes.
Home sales.
Yeah.
And then the rest of them is that COT report. You know how that go.
That's for like the oil and stuff like that. Yeah, the COT reports like so. I don't know. Well, maybe that's what I'll start doing. I might start doing weekend videos on the COT data, but I mean that's for like commodities and stuff. I guess the only one I would be watching is for CL. I guess.
They got.
I just having to read and stay on top of it.
You got Atlanta Fed. That's a 2-star. Atlanta Fed at.
You know the Feds pump it
at 10:30.
You know they pump it.
Is this our pullback that we're looking for?
Maybe. No. Honestly, I want to see what happens at I want to see what happens at 17.8, 17.5. I want to see what happens in that area.
I mean, if you short it from the top, which I don't know, you'd be a brave person to short the top, but you'd already be up 20 points.
Yeah, but would you rather be 20 points or 50? Which one do you want?
Or a million? I'll take the 1,000,000 points.
One requires 20 points and a possible heart attack. The other one, it's a lot more money.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier. So which one you want?
Yeah,
you gotta wait for it.
I mean, that's true. Yeah, that's so true. Like, what are you doing? Like, which would you rather take? You want the easy money, or you want to work hard and stress yourself out for 20 points when you could catch 100?
Yep. So something that I've learned, but I'm still trying to implement, is just trading in one direction. Like, if the market is bullish, then I'm going to look for those small pullbacks into areas where price is highly likely to come and rebalance itself. If the market is bearish, then I'm going to trade bearishly. Because, I mean, we get those 100-point, like if we have like a real bearish day, we only get them 90 to 100-point moves during lunch. And they're choppy and it's slow and you don't even know if it's going to get there, but in hindsight and back testing, you see that it happens over lunch. And then what happens after that? You get that big dump down, taking out the lows of the lunch lows and going down further. So I guess it really depends on how you want to make the money. You want to do it the hard way, or you want to do it the easy way? Trying to fight it or going along with it?
Yeah, you fight everything.
You know our personality.
You fighting, yeah, you're going to lose though if you try to fight. I mean, you may get lucky once in a while, but
once in a while.
more likely than not, you're gonna take that L trying to fight the beast.
And how do we fight the market? We don't want to scale in until it gets to the point to where you can't scale it no more.
Yep. Like, damn, I'm out of contracts. I need more contracts.
I need more drawdown. I need more contracts. But I doubt it. I think Once we get off stream, I'm not going to trade the afternoon. I'm not going to deal with it. I'm pretty sure it's going to run up, but I'm not dealing with it.
Yeah.
I'm not dealing with this. Actually, you know what? Let me stop lying. I'm going to set limits. Like that's something that me and Smith talked about yesterday. On the afternoon sessions, I'm just going to set my limits. If they get hit, then they get hit. If they don't, they don't. But I'm not going to, because we talked about a level yesterday, and even though we talked about a level, we still kind of fought it. Like it's crazy. Like we do that. I was like, yo, this can get down to 18.15 or 8.15 or 8.10, and it dropped down to 8.15 and bounced. Like this whole move is from that 8.15 level, and I didn't trust it because it was going down. I was like, man, that. So we talked about just trusting our chart and just not being fearful of a loss, because honestly, that's what that's what prevented us from getting in at that level yesterday. At least that's what prevented me from getting into it. Because I was like, man, that big drop. I don't know, man. I don't know if 8.15 gonna hold, but damn sure it held, and damn did it pump.
Yeah.
Like what? It pumped what? About 200 to 300 points. I mean, where are we at now? 17, like
17, 50.
We reached like the 1745, right?
41 today. 41.50.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we probably might get to 1750 and drop, because the market, from what I've seen back testing, the market doesn't usually move up more than 250 points in one direction without a big pullback. We're already at 230 points, so we'll see what happens. If I see the institutions start buying SPY puts, then I know that short is coming, and I'm gonna look out for that.
What's the flow? What's the flow?
Right. So right now we already know that SPY is almost back to all those points it gave.
Yeah.
Actually, the institutions are selling puts. They're writing puts right now. They are writing puts, and they're buying calls. They're writing puts and buying calls, so you know what that means. All right, so this is the level I said that I just want to see what price does.
14, 18.
Ah, damn! Look at that freak.
14, 18. 30.
So I wanted to get in long at 08, but because of that pump up, I got filled at 17. So that's like a bad fill, man. That's a bad fill. Let me get out of this real quick. Damn, that was a bad fill.
Buy the dips.
Damn.
Buy every pull.
That was a bad fill, man. That was a bad fill.
Are you still in, or are you straddling break even? What's up? You at 7?
I'm straddling break even. Yeah, 17. I wanted to get in at 8. God damn. But it does look like it's gonna jump up.
All right.
But this was definitely a bad fill.
New home sales. Home sales are at 590K. I think they were expecting 695. They don't care about home sales, honestly. They're like, man, F that home sales. F them home sales right now.
All right. So I'm in this long at 17. I wanted to get in at 8, but because of that volatile jump, I got filled at 17. I don't know what the fuck Apex does, but how the hell am I getting these bad fills in the sim? I can see why like live traders be like on Top Step, when the live traders go live, sometimes like they all start to fail because of these bad fills. How am I getting bad fills in the sim?
No, don't worry. Apex ain't. They're not taking nobody live. That's not their goal. Live. You want to go?
No, I'm not talking about them going live. It's just the fact that the way I'm getting filled is if I'm live. Like,
yeah.
like what the hell? Like my contracts, all 6 of my contracts didn't get filled. Why? Well, what? The robot on the other side of my trade didn't want it or something? Like, how the hell are you not gonna fill out my damn contract? Okay. Yeah, I caught that move up. I did close it out because this was a bad fill, and I just didn't like it. I didn't care to eat the drawdown. So I only closed out with only my runner. I had my runner at 50, but hopefully we get a retest of 8.
Hold on. We got some info in the chat. Some potentially useful info in the chat from the risk managers. My man Jack here might have just threw in a plug. Oh no, it didn't just drop and stop me out to pump higher. Like, this ain't even a live account. This is live sim. This is sim. XFA. Why would you do that to me? Anyway, my man Jack said, morning cast. My man Jack said, I bought those dips. I should have held that mess, but you know how I am.
Yeah, me too.
You know how I am right now. I'm not in the right. Yeah, I'm not in the right headspace right now to be holding anything. He said, one up trader, you can take payouts anytime, any day. That's love. Ugh.
Damn.
Anytime,
God,
any
damn.
day. And I think I tried One Up Trader once, but they don't offer any discounts. That's the thing. You paying full price for that's like the one thing I noticed. Like it's hard to find a discount with them. But anytime, that's attractive though. That's kind of like trade day. I think trade day lets you take profit or take payouts, whatever.
See, I'm glad I'm kind of mad I didn't. Well, I had my runner at 50, but I'm glad I cut it at 25 because it only went up 10 more points and dropped. All right, so it's back to that 17.8 level that I talked about. Do I want to get back? Nah, I'm not getting back in there. I'm not getting back in at this level. My next, I'll get back in long at. I'm gonna get back in long at VWAP at 77. I'm gonna get back in long at 77. But I don't know, man. I would have to see what happens at VWAP because if we're trading the chart, price has just rebalanced at 74. I think or at 1741 was the high.
Yeah.
And if you look to the left, you can see that price only got up to 45. And dropped the first time, ran those stops, consolidated, and dumped. And 41 is now the underbelly of that range. So I don't know if this little drop right here was just orders that were left up here getting refilled, and that's why price is reacting to that, or if this is the rebalance or a drop lower. But obviously all the VWAP, 21, 50, and the 200 EMAs are all pointing towards the upside. They're all sloped upward. So we will see. Like I said, I'm gonna go in long at 72, probably like 75. That's where I'm getting in long. I'm not doing anything until price gets there. If price goes up higher, it goes up higher. And then I'll just reevaluate the chart and create a new strategy.
Man, I wish. Oh, you could. Are you in the chat on the stream chat?
Am I? What do you mean? Am I on it? Are you talking about am I in it?
Yeah. You on the stream
like
chat?
Maybe I should I can probably like post levels in the chat or something like that.
Or to type, to type. Just because I was too busy typing. I heard you, but I didn't hear you. If that makes any sense.
Yeah, because you was focused on the chat. Yeah, we'll see. That 14.8 level did kind of pop up and rebalance, I think, because originally I wanted to get in at 17.08.
Oh.
I got filled at 17. It got all the way to 34, so that was like a 31 point pump from my call out level, and then it dumped. I closed it at 25, but it looks like it's going to possibly keep going up.
Sleepy Joe speaking? Man, forget him. Man, I just erased my levels by accident. So what was? I don't even know. Let's just draw them current from the current, because I don't even know. Actually, damn, did that took it out for everyone? No. The high was okay. 1714 was the pre-market high. 1714. 5 minute. 1714. We'll call it good there, and then 691. He talking about inflation? Yeah. What does he know about inflation?
And we probably don't exist in this fairy tale world.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the one thing about politics that, dude, these politicians, they don't even live in the same world as everybody else. It's interesting that people, you know, they put their faith in their favorite politicians because, yeah, they come out, they say they fight for you.
They all lie.
Time and time, nothing ever gets done.
Nothing gets done.
The only thing that gets done is only in the best interest of the party that they represent. That's the only thing that has been proved. That's why I don't necessarily follow politics, because I'm a person that loves to get things done. So that already right there is something that I can never get to be a part of.
He said the price of Biden's diapers is going up.
That is funny, dude. That's funny.
That do be, yeah, they don't get nothing done. They all lie just to get your vote. And I don't pay them no attention.
It's getting so bad now to where it's like, dude, they don't even, they figured out that if they can pull at your heartstrings, then they can keep you. If they can make somebody an enemy, because I think that tactic is as old as sin. It's as old as sin. Like, if you can create an enemy for people to rally behind, they will just be a part of it just so they can be a part of the crowd and attack that enemy. That's why you see different parties using some figure as somebody for attack. Like, look at Elon Musk. We all know Elon Musk has accomplished a lot. He's accomplished a lot, at least for, in his opinion, for the human race. And now look at the media attacking him as if he's just a regular Joe.
Yeah.
I mean, before you couldn't hear nothing bad about Elon Musk. Now they're attacking him left and right just because he wants people to be able to be free in their speech and to be free, at least.
Yeah, they do Elon dirty, especially when it comes to his EVs. They don't even give it. They try not to give him his respect on the EVs.
Yeah, I think I read something. Oh, go ahead.
I was just saying, Mohi, thanks for going down. I don't know. I think buy every dip opportunity. Like I said, we could. I don't know.
I'm getting in that VWAP.
I'm getting in that VWAP. That's the safest bet. You want to go long? Get in that VWAP. That's the safest.
I'm going in that VWAP.
That's the safest bet right now. You want to go long? Get in that VWAP.
So yeah, I saw this article. I didn't read it because I don't read foolishness. But the title was saying that Biden or Biden's administration is offering incentives for people to not buy Tesla. And I'm sitting here thinking, yeah, that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy.
That goes against his whole. Remember, he wanted. Was talking about the infrastructure of the charging stations and all that mess. Why, Elon? He knew about you gonna need your infrastructure. That's why he got the best infrastructure right now. Yeah, it's growing, but they still ain't on them Tesla supercharging stations. So I don't know. It's just foolishness. Like you said, it's all foolishness. Let's take these levels and this economic data and let's get paid in these markets.
Let's see what happens here, man.
Yeah,
Let's see what happens here.
This level is a struggle level, man. You don't want to devalue oil.
Like I said, man. Yeah. I mean, I don't think oil doesn't go anywhere because we all know that oil is the main foundation for electricity anyway. So I mean, I don't think oil is going anywhere.
Yeah,
I mean, maybe not to put in your car, but it's not going anywhere else.
I don't think. Yeah. I think we could be in a place where both of them thrive. Obviously, like you said, oil's not going anywhere. At least not for a long, long time. We got to get this stuff right. You need infrastructure, and then what if the grid goes down? Then, you know what I'm saying? You stuck without, and then your oil, your what they call that combustion engine, your regular vehicles is
that is interesting.
Is valuable right there because we get there's power outages all the time. If the grid goes down, I don't know.
Yeah, no, like oil is not going anywhere. I mean, these electric grids, the generators that they run off of is all fuel. So we're not. I mean, it's foolish that people that don't. Well, I wouldn't say that they don't fully understand because I'm pretty sure they do. They just probably understand that not everybody else fully understands because who else has time to care about crude oil unless they can't go to the gas station or they can't do the things that they normally do. So they say these things because of that. But oil's not going nowhere.
Yeah, nah. Well, ladies and gents, that's crazy. We wiped out 251 points Wednesday. 2 days later, we're pretty much right back to where we started. Right back near the top. That's wild. But is it really? Can you imagine if I was able to keep a swing account? I was long at 16,800. Was that the level? 803? Yeah. If I had kept that all the way
honestly,
to 17.
I was thinking about getting a Dan U profit swing account. I mean, that's the only thing that's good for, in my opinion. They're the only prop firm that offers a swing account, but it's a micro. I hate micros.
Yeah, micros is. I mean, you could feel better trading micros. I said I was going to trade micros, but I think I was just lying to myself.
Of course.
Yeah.
Dude, the price action is not the same. Like, it don't even feel the same. It's choppy. It's disgusting. Yeah, when I trade micros, it's like, dude, let me just go back to the minis. Like, the minis is definitely clean.
It's just
It's disgusting over there, micro. Yeah, it's disgusting over there, dude.
Let me pull up. I'm gonna pull up. First of all, let me close this tab because. Anybody in the chat? I meant to ask y'all this question for a few days now. For Apex specifically, payouts after you get your approval, and then you get your email, which I got last night or early this morning. How many days do they actually wait to pay out, like on the 29th? Because I know he said like you get paid at the end of the month, which is either falls on typically like the 30th or the 29th before the next month, or does it come sometime in between? I know the email said 3 to 7 days or something like that, and they said they sent it out on the 21st. They sent it out yesterday. So I just want to know, just a little gee whiz knowledge, because Take Profit, when I did ACH transfer, and Take Profit was in like maybe about 2-3 days to get your money. 2-3 days for Take Profit, depending on when you request it. If it's on the weekend, then yeah, you're definitely not seeing that till the following week. But it hit the account usually about 2-3 days for Take Profit. Okay. Good info to know. Sometimes before the 7. Some kid on the last day. Yeah, they wildin' for that. They know we be itching for these payouts. That's what we trade for, baby. Give me my money. Give me my targets. Give me my money. Give me my hat, Top Step.
It goes target, money, hat in that order.
Target, yeah. The money's an afterthought. I want my target.
Yeah, like, dude, it really is like that. Like, give me my damn target. I ain't caring about the damn money right now. I want my target. or I want my highs. Basically, I want my
Oh dang.
I want my validation. That's what I
Yeah.
want.
Yeah.
It was like I really get pissed off when it goes further than my target. That is like really. I don't care how many points it is, man. That's like really.
Yeah.
So I mean, price has been ranging between there's a range at 17, 18, and a high of 33. It just broke that range to the downside. But technically we're still in an uptrend.
I think I'm with the risk manager over here. He said they asked the question, are they accumulating orders now to go for the all-time high, or are they going to rug pull? pull that chair.
Price is beneath all the moving averages. I'm in the sim shorting this baby, and I'm getting paid in the sim, baby. Paid in the sim, baby. Shorting the sim. Because I don't believe it. I mean, I was down 7K, but now I'm now down 3,500.
I mean, yeah, you got some of that back. You got a chunk of that back.
Yeah, I'm still up 7K in the eval. So, like I said, I'm not going to transact until price gets to at least. If price gets down to, it's looking like 88. It's looking like 88, 91, 88, that area. Well, no, I'm gonna stick to. I'm gonna stick to what I said. 77. If it gets to 81, I want to see what happens at 81. That's the level I'm looking at. It obviously can go down further. If it does go down further, I want to see if it's going to go down to 71 and snap, or what it's going to do. But my eye is on that 981, but really 971. I want to see what happens there.
Yeah,
because if this does drop,
I want VWAP. Give me VWAP. VWAP, and even one contract on VWAP is still kind of like, because if it goes down to the 940s or 30s, high 30s, 940s, that would be ugh. Sheesh.
Well, I think the lowest that this could go, like let's just say that that 970 level doesn't hold, which anything can happen. I doubt it, but anything can happen. I think the furthest it goes before a pounce would be 950, 954 in that area. Because we got that big jump at 7:30, basically the news at 9:50. So that leg higher really started. I mean, it really started at 9:30, but that leg right there at 9:54, that long wick candle up. Yeah, I think there's gonna be a bunch of orders at that 950 level.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it does get down there, which I doubt, but.
Yeah. Microsoft Nvidia holding NQ. Yeah. Right now, what do I got CL up on TradingView? What am I doing? CL ain't doing nothing. NQ is not really doing anything right now. These, I will say, these, when they're trying to push it lower, it is getting bought back up. 1,000 tick. Hold on, let me. What I got that at?
And then, like I said, man, we gotta be mindful that price jumped off of 815. It's been pumping ever since. It's been pumping ever since. So we got that big leg up. And you remember yesterday when we were talking about, damn, it could retest that 966 level, and we were talking about, damn, that would be crazy.
Yeah.
And it did it at the end of the day. It literally did that at the end of the day, and I was like, yeah, I'm not short in this damn market. Obviously, the bulls just let it go so the bears can have hope so they can run their stops to move price back up. Apparently.
Yeah. Let's see what happens here. Because 08, 06, okay, we're getting a drop.
I think this level breaks, man. Yeah, this level breaks. Level breaks.
Point of control on my trading view. Excuse me. Point of control on my trading view is 1701. Point of control on my book map. It got pushed above. Book map showing 1715. But we are trying to pull back up there. 40 shorts just got stopped. Yeah. 40.
Rest in peace to those shorts.
Before that, 35 longs got stopped and 28 before that. And then 40, and then now it just pushed down. 29 longs just got stopped.
Yeah, I'm waiting for VWAP, dude. I'm not playing this.
Yeah, it's like, what are y'all doing right now? Y'all stop hunting everybody, both sides. What are y'all doing?
And I have to be okay with if my target doesn't get hit. I have to be okay with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
obviously, logically.
Yeah, we know how you really feel, but we do have to be okay with that. we all understand though. We want our targets. It's as simple as that. Stop playing with me. Give me my target. Okay, you guys. What are y'all doing? Y'all just playing the stop hunt game right now. Cause we had after we had the 40 shorts that got stopped, then 29 longs got stopped, 7 shorts. Then we got 6, 7. It's like, yo, what are y'all doing right now? I'm waiting to see if it can push back up into the 20s, how many get stopped up there.
Dude, this is like, man, this is trust issues. Like, if you really look at the chart, and let's just say that you're on the right side, like those that are short right now, obviously they're on the right side of the market right now.
Right now.
Even though I would never short this type of market. The market that can't be stopped. But just imagine, you already know what the NQ is going to do. You know she's going to run it back up. You know the people that shorted at 41, if they didn't get out, you know she's going to retest it. And then she's going to probably stop them out. And then she's going to dump.
Sweep for a buy scout. I think I missed the boat. I think I missed the boat.
I mean, honestly, I wouldn't even, I mean, me personally, dude, in this chop down, nah, I'm just going to wait to VWAP so I can make this easy money. I ain't scalping like that no more.
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
Make this easy money.
Yeah, I want to catch the big moves, man. I thought about that.
Yeah, I know.
I want them big moves, and I want heavy size. Size, big move. 50-point minimum, baby.
All you gotta do is wait for it. It's like, you really, like, that's really the situation. Either you want to get chopped up, scalp here and there, and be impatient, or be patient and get these straight moves up. Get 20 to 30 points easily. Get all your targets hit, make all your money, and feel vindicated because you were right and you were patient and you got paid.
Yeah.
But I know you. Well, you said that you're not going to trade those accounts, right?
Yeah, I'm pivoting. I haven't touched it since. I've been trading my XFA. I'm still down from earlier, like $400, but I've been trading the XFA and my take profit eval. I'm currently passing, but not really because of their consistency rule.
Mm-hmm.
So I got to make a little bit more, man. I'm only up $500, almost 6. Yeah, I know. I've been taking it light, man. I haven't been going too heavy. This looks like a strong candle to break through this, though. After all these wicks previously, as of right now, it looks strong. We're coming up on the close of this 5-minute, but now it's obviously starting to look weak again because it's not holding 25.
Yeah, there's a rebalance level. I mean, we're at the top of the range. Well, about 30 is the top of this range. This small little range, the top of the range is about around 30, and the bottom of the range is around about 18. So basically, we broke below the range. We got all the way down to 1702. Now we're back in the range. We can possibly go back up to 31.
I just noticed something. My cumulative delta is super up, super positive right now on the cumulative delta. Like, what? We're sitting at, on this one, like around 10,000. You know what? You know what, guys? I think we break. So we're gonna go short. If I think we break out, we're going short. Fade my moves. Fade me. Fade.
All right.
Fade me.
All right, fine. I'm gonna fade you in this sim and see who's right.
Fade.
See who's right.
Fade.
No, but no, I think this at least retest at least 36 probably. I mean, if it retests those highs at 40, it could get to 50.
You want to get paid. Cameron want to get paid with the impatience, and then at the end with a big move.
You want to get paid both ways. I mean, we are in Gamblers Anonymous, man. That's what we do here. But that we do that when the volume is not lackluster the way it is right now.
Lame like this, yeah. Lame. Fade me, y'all. Fade me.
Oh, you went long for real?
Yep, for real.
Oh. Okay. I wouldn't have gone long at this high, but
I know.
I'm short. I'm short.
I know.
In the sense.
I know. I'm looking at all the whatchamacallit. I think it'll take a little time, but I don't know. Now they're selling off. Yeah. I think it want to see one last retest before it either keeps going through or a dump.
Well, the reason why, so if I'm going to be logical, and if I'm not going to use my heart and my imagination to trade this chart, what the most logical thing for me to do or for me to see is that price has to rebalance lower. Like all those orders sitting below around that 981, 970 level.
Mm-hmm.
Market's going to probably want that liquidity to go higher. I mean, obviously, it can do whatever it wants, but I'm thinking that it's going to at least want that liquidity before it go higher, especially if the institutions are at that level. Especially if they're at that level. So we'll see. I mean, obviously, it can go higher, but that pullback all the way to 1702, I don't know, man. I don't know. But prices above both the 21 and the 50s. I mean, all prices above all the EMAs right now. So. The 50 and the 21 right now are kissing. So. Yeah, Brendan, I don't know, man. I think this was. I mean, I'm not saying your long won't work. I'm just saying that this is gonna be a stressful long.
Stressful long, yeah.
Stressful.
That's what I live for. What would I do without these stressful trades? I'm all about getting stressed out. He said if you short your liquidity. I did not short. I took a long. I've been wrong this whole week, it feels like. So fade me. Fade my moves if you want to be on the right side. I want my stress.
That's interesting. They're buying more 470. They're writing more 470 puts on spot.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the protection on that one though. I'm gonna put the protection on it. We got a trailer. pump the market, y'all. We got a trailer on it though. We got it. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. Oh wait. Oh, it only took out one. I was about to say, how many cons was I in on that? Yeah, that 30 though. And it's, you can see on here that it struggled on my trading view chart. Yo. Well, no, I'm in Central Time, so yeah, it's only 9:30 for me here, so 9:35. So I got a little more time to play around. Yeah, I'm in Central.
They was asking maybe he's gonna get dragged out the room.
Yeah. So you got about 30 minutes, you gonna get dragged out. You better be done. I know. Luckily, I got a little bit more. I want to see this break. Give me the break. So I've actually, I hate it, but I am aware of it when I trade. One time I traded it and I forgot about it, and that 50 execute. That's such a stupid. I hate that rule. It's so lame, and it goes against scalpers, and it truly puts like a major limit on the trader. But y'all should know me, but like, I'm stubborn. I'm stubborn. So I wanted to beat them. I was like, y'all gonna pay me, I'm gonna take y'all money. Essentially, that's how I was thinking. Like, I'm gonna beat you at your own game with this lame execution rule. And that's how I was thinking about it. Like, I don't like it. I think it hinders the trader tremendously. But I have in the past, before going tilt with them, I did beat them at their own game. I was mindful of that rule. I was watching it like a hawk. And yeah. So that's kind of my... It's like,
yeah.
This is what take profit trader. So take profit.
Yeah.
When you're funded, you pass and test in one day, get the 6K, and then just wait. Hold on, I'm not sure what you're referring to, but we're talking about right now. We're just talking about Take Profit Trader. It's another prop firm. They let you. Their payout structure. I like their payout structure because you can withdraw as soon as you get over the buffer, or as soon as you hit that buffer, and then you make your profits above that buffer. Then you can start withdrawing. The buffer is based on your account size and all of that. But they have this rule on the funded side. They call it the 50 execution rule. So an execution is any order that is filled. So if you buy, let's say you go long, that's one execution. And say you wanted to scale in another contract, that's a second execution. Any order, getting a little drop here, but any order that is filled is an execution on both sides, and it sucks.
Dang it, look at that drop, dude.
Super drop.
I told you that was not no real pump. That was a rebalance. Gotta trade these charts, baby.
I got out.
Trade these charts.
I exited some of the position for like $50.
At least it's not negative, because me, if I was in that stubborn long that I told you not to take, I would have been a negative drop. I don't drop myself.
It doesn't get bought back up here though. Did they move that liquidity? I didn't see.
No, dude, I don't know. Like, dude, I don't think this is going to VWAP. Like, before any real move happens, this has to touch VWAP. These institutions are not going to miss the move of the lifetime. They're not missing that. Like the structure didn't suggest that this was going to go higher. The structure suggested that it was just a pump to rebalance, to move this lower, and then we're going to get that pump, because you can tell that if it's choppy, if this was a real drop, it would have been choppy. I mean, it would have been straight down. It's a choppy stair step down for that elevator move up, and that's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah, you want to.
But going back to what
you want to catch that elevator. I feel you. You want that elevator music.
Yeah, I don't like the Stairmaster. I don't like it. But going back to what you said on take profit, that's why I would never do business with take profit, never. And that's the main reason, because Brandon introduced me to take profit. I did try out their prop firm. I did get funded, but obviously, back then I was so damn stubborn. I blew that damn account so damn fast because of their trailing drawdown. Because
yeah, I forgot about that as well. It's live trailing drawdown in the funded side as well. Live trailing drawdown, and you have a 50 execution rule on take profit. So it's live trailing just like Apex until you hit that buffer based on your account size. So with the 150K account, I think it's like 4,500 buffer. You got to make that, then it stops trailing and it goes to end of day. But yeah, I've withdrawn 60K over 60K from take profit. Even with that
he must be stopped.
Even with that stupid rule, and then I went on a tilt journey, and then obviously blew the accounts. But I was like, I'm getting y'all for something. Y'all gonna give me some of this money.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and the daily loss. Thank you, Moxie. And a daily loss limit. Well, no, not. It's if you hit that loss limit, you're done. It's not like Top Step where you get stopped out for the day. Nah, you hit that max loss limit, you're done.
Mm-hmm.
You got to start all over. So it's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I don't understand how take profit is even in the prop firm communication. It's like it's one of the big ones, but the way it behaves, the way the rules, it's like, dude, you're like one of these side kind of scammy prop firms, the ones that at least that's how I feel. Because I was like, dude, you got the trailing drawdown, you got the 50 execution rule, you have the daily loss limit, you have all these barriers for the traders to get over. I mean, obviously, our guy Brandon got over it, but
I was determined.
Yo, those are too many damn barriers.
No, because
that's crazy.
They had ticked me off. I had a story, man. I was gonna leave a negative review and everything. I had it all typed up. I had the whole situation explained, and then they reached out to me and made it right. And that's the only reason I didn't leave that negative review, because they was trying to get me out of my money. And ever since then, I even told Sherm, I'm like, nah, I'm about to take them for 100K. I'm about to run them for everything they got. That's how I was feeling. That's how I was feeling at the time. I had my negative review up, typed out, just this long pair on Trustpilot, because I think that's what they use. Yeah, I had my negative review.
I thought you posted it.
I didn't know. So I did post it, but it wasn't public yet because it takes time to get public on Trustpilot. After I posted it, they had reached out to me by email and saying, okay, basically, our bad, we're going to give you your money. But they tried to get me, not give me my money. And after that, like I told Sherm, I already had accounts, and I was like, you know what? I'm about to take them for everything they got. That was my mindset. That was my mindset. I'm about to take them for everything they got. Try to do me like that. So I didn't post. I took the review down. It wasn't public yet, so I took it down. They made it right, but man, I'm telling you. And Sherm's like, man, I would never do business with them. I'm like, the only reason I'm doing business with them is to take their freaking money. That's it. And I said I wanted 100K. I took a little over 60 from them. So I was like, okay, I'm cool with that. But now I'm back on the hunt. I'm back out here on the hunt. That's the only reason.
I get Apex now.
Yeah, that's the only reason. And I had an eval with them. Didn't want it to go to waste. That's this one right here. This take profit eval. For the eval, I think it's a 50% consistency. So I had that one big trade yesterday or overnight. If we go back yesterday, I made like 8K on a CL trade that I bought at the open. I went long at the open. Yeah, this was yesterday. Look, 5 hours and 16 minutes in the trade. It was a aftermarket open trade. I went full port, 15 contracts. You can see right here, 15 contracts, and I made 8K going long in CL. Basically caught the bottom. Somewhere I don't even remember where it was, but I caught the bottom, rode CL to the top, and yeah, that's all she wrote. But yeah, so that's definitely like the majority of the account. So I got to make a little bit more to in order to be passed based on that rule.
Yeah, I mean, Top Step obviously have that same, like with these prop firms, like the feelings are different. Like with Apex, I can jump in 6, 7, 10, 30 contracts and not feel anything. If I even jump in more than 2 contracts with Top Step, it's like, oh my god, dude, like what the hell are you doing?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously the drawdowns are different.
Isn't that weird though? You get different vibes from these different prop firms though, because I felt the same way. Like Top Step's more like, okay, I got to take my time, got to build the account up.
Mm-hmm. Apex is all this balls to the wall, baby.
Apex is like full port, baby. Full port.
Full port. We gonna let it ride, baby. We gonna let this ride, baby. But yeah, with Top Step is like, dude, I threw on 6 contracts in a Top Step account, and my whole world completely went void. I'm like, dude, what the hell are you doing?
Yes.
Dude, what the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing?
CL is dropping. Someone mentioned in the chat, CL is dropping.
Dude, I looked at that and I was like, I'm gonna take that short. I'm short CL in the sim right now. I was gonna take that in my real account, but I was like, nah, I don't want to play around with. Oh my god.
Yeah.
So I was short at where was I short at? I was short at 87. I was short at 87 in the sim because I saw that it was struggling. I was like, nah, let me just throw 6 contracts on this thing, and oh my god, I'm so freaking mad. I should have took this in a real account. But like, dude, see how this moves so damn slow. This whole move took 10 hours.
10 hours. I mean, you saw the stats on this trade. It was a 5-hour trade. I mean, and I had to go full port just to get the 8K.
Get 8K. Like, dude, yeah, I went. So that same day you took that long, I went in long with 6 contracts, and I only made 3K. I'm like, God, I had to put so much risk on to make money, and then wait an eternity just to see the result. Like, dude.
in these markets, that is an eternity.
Like, dude, you waited 6 hours, you can look back and you just cry because none of your targets got hit and prices are struggling. So he's like, dude, do I close this or do I wait? Do I wait?
So
but she does move when she sets up, though. I'm not gonna lie. You just gotta wait for her to set up, though.
Yeah, that's true. CL is very technical. That's what I kind of like about CL. I mean, randomly, it could do some random things sometimes, every once in a while. But for the most part, she's pretty straightforward. But like I said, like how did you describe it, Sherman? She's that.
What?
For CL, we know what NQ is.
Oh yeah.
You said she's that
church girl.
She's that church girl that's still.
That church girl that plays innocent, but she lives that double life.
Yeah. That's
NG, no, she go to church every Sunday, dude.
NG.
She go to church Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every day.
Yeah, NG's at Bible study. She wants you to wait. You got to get married to NG.
Man, you got to court her. You got to bring her flowers. You got to hold the door for her and everything. Spoil her, and then she'll think about it. Just for her to think about it. You got to fully commit to NG before you get anything, dude.
But look at NG. I pulled up my NG chart. It looks like it wants to go on start to flip long here to go on this little pump. But I don't know.
What did it do before that? It's chopping around though, right?
I'm not. Well, NG, and this is another thing. You gotta trade NG and CL. If you want to get a good position for CL, you gotta get in pre-market. Like there's no other. There's no getting around that. You got to get in pre-market. Same thing with NG here. It's 6 o'clock. I don't know who's up that early, but 5 o'clock is when it started making its drop, and it took until 3.5 hours to bottom out and start to flip long. So yeah, you get married in that position.
Nah, you're married in that position. Yeah, you ain't got no choice. So yeah, my position. I'm in the sim right now. Obviously, I'm in. And actually, I got 2 targets, so it hit all my targets, which surprised the hell out of me. I'm up 50 points with CL, but dude, I had to wait how long for this to set up? So it initially dropped at 3 o'clock in the morning. I put my limit at that high. So from 3 o'clock in the morning all the way up until, what time did it start? At 8:45, or really at 9:11. 6 hours for CL to set up. 6 hours. Just to get a 50-point drop. Just to get a 50-point drop. Oh, fuck CL, dude. That's why I just stopped trading her, dude. Brandon over here making all this money in NQ, and the only thing I could trade with CL, making that baby money. Like, dude, making $1,500 a day is a lot of money with CL. Just listen to that. That's a lot of money. In CL. Yo, that's a lot of money. Unless you put, like, dude, you put on risk. And like you might, like, you can get like a 90-point move. Let's just say you got 3 contracts and they all touch a 90-point target. That's only $2,700 for 3 contracts. So let's just say you put on what? 6 contracts. That's only 54. Like, it's like, dude, the risk is not even worth the reward. Like, you're waiting all day for $5,400, but you know you're not gonna get that. That's not consistent.
Yeah.
You're not gonna, like, dude, that is not consistent.
Yeah.
CL chops too much for you want to know 90 points every day. I mean, unless you're getting in pre-market.
Yeah.
But who's getting in that pre-market for real and not go to sleep?
And not, yeah, you ain't getting no sleep. Like me the other day, I took that CL trade. I was watching it till about midnight, where I felt comfortable that I could get a little bit of sleep. I sent Sherman the text at like 11. It was either 11 or midnight. I was like, I took a screenshot.
What are you up for?
I was like, I can finally rest easy now.
Yeah, I just put that CL trade on that day, and I was like, man,
He's like,
I know it's gonna be there all day. I know I can probably work my way out of it when I wake up, so I'm not gonna stress about that, dude. But in Q though, you're gonna have a nightmare. Wake up with your adrenaline pumping.
Yo, I don't even know how you could go to sleep on that, messing with NQ. Look at CL though. That's a significant drop for CL.
That is significant. How many points are we down?
I mean,
You're only that's normal for CL. It's
almost $1, almost a whole $1.
Almost. But that's not consistent though. Like look at today. That it chop. I mean, yeah, it chopped both ways, about like maybe 90 points to $1, but the high was at 3 o'clock in the morning Central Time. Who's up at 3 o'clock in the morning Central Time?
Yeah.
And then you got a drop at 6 o'clock. If you took this long at 6, yeah, you could have rolled this back up.
Mm-hmm.
But look at that chop. It stair-stepped this way all the way back up. Like, dude, that's torture. And then you finally got out of that position if you took it before it reached the high at 8 o'clock. But you know me, shoot, I'm on my damn high. So I would have ate that drawdown and then finally got that high at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So yeah, I'm up about like what? I'm up 90 points in this position right now, but I had to wait all day for it, and it's in the sim, so it don't mean nothing. But let me see how much profits I'm up. Dude, I'm only up $1,000 on that move.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
I'm only up 12 points on that move. Or I'm sorry, 1,200.
Yeah, that is crazy.
This is why I love CL. Like, dude, you're just too much of a good girl. I need that bad girl. I need NQ. Like I'm sitting at $7,200 right now, compared to what, 1,200 on CL. Now you're gonna be more consistent with CL, obviously. You'll be more consistent. Like I was more consistent trading CL, but we don't want consistency, baby. We want that drug. We want that adrenaline. That's what we want.
We want that drug that I'm still recovering from, y'all. I'm feeling better, but I'm still recovering from the drug that is known as NQ. Ugh. She has messed with my head this week, for sure.
She definitely has, man.
I'm gonna enjoy this weekend. I'm gonna enjoy this.
And then you got an extra day on Monday too.
Yeah, for real.
Got an extra day on Monday, so yeah, I'm like I think we'll see what happens. We'll see. I mean, I mean, it's still early.
If we don't
early in the day,
if we don't pump here, I think I'm cutting this. If we like play around,
oh no, you're still in it?
Yeah, I'm still holding this. If we don't,
I thought you put a trailing stop on that.
I put that on my take profit account. I'm up 1,000 in the take profit. If we don't like get something serious going here, I'm cutting this, cause this is what I'm talking about. That torture that nobody deserves. That we want, like you mentioned, that is taking that stair step down right now. We want that elevator up. Give me that that elevator straight up.
So VWAP. So VWAP. So weekly VWAP is at 934.
Don't tell me
or,
that.
Or 16.9. No, this is weekly. This is on the weekly VWAP.
You know, y'all know we've been going up, just to drop this, we've been going up for 8 weeks in a row. 8 weeks has been straight up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm expecting that January drop, the real drop.
That January drop. I mean, we may, like, so, because everybody's probably expecting it in January, we might get it, like, late January, early February.
Yeah.
Especially when you start getting those election cycles commercials. Well, damn, Smith. So I went in short at 17.28. I only took about 6 points of drawdown, and on my targets, I got one more runner at 9.83 on this short. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Now let's see. VWAP is at 83.
Make or break. Don't break me. Don't break me. Baby, come back. Doom, doom. You could blame it all on me. I was wrong. And I just want to break even. I told you to fade me.
Want to break even, baby.
I told you to fade me. I've been wrong all this time. This is down 30 points. Yeah.
Yeah. So it just damn.
Buy
I ain't gonna lie, that
buy it back up. Get over the hump
right there. You want to jump back in there?
Get over there. Hey, chill out. We know we're still in recovery mode right now. We're still in recovery. Loaded 8. That's what I'm talking about. Gained weight. Loaded 8. Let's go, bro.
Okay. So, I mean, technically it didn't touch VWAP. Technically it didn't touch
You can blame it all on me.
Let me look at the higher time frame and see where VWAP is on there. So VWAP now is at 85 on the higher time frame.
It's not looking pretty right now, though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna hold you.
Actually,
it's not looking pretty at all. R.I.P. R.I.P.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't go down all the way down there.
All the way down where?
I don't want to tell you, unless you want to know. I don't want to tell you unless you want to know.
I think I already know, but I want to hear you say it.
So, like I said, a weekly is at 934, but
Sheesh.
On the higher time frame, it's on 970, 985. So hopefully you get this VWAP touch at 985. I mean, it still can go possibly down to 72. Possibly go down to 72.
Why are they? Ooh, look at CL. So I gotta start paying attention to her. I gotta give her the love she deserves.
Okay. I mean, well, she don't deserve it because she don't pay you for nothing.
She don't deserve. Sometimes she deserves it. Oh my god.
Yeah, look at that drop, dude. Look at that drop.
Blown.
Yeah.
I ain't protected. I turned off and went to CL. Blown.
There you go, 72.
Blown.
Let's see what it does at this level.
72.
Did we bounce at 72?
You want the long? Hold on. You want the long 72, right? 70. Yeah, we tapped 70.
I just want to see what it does at this level. That's what I want to see.
65 liquidity at.
Hold on.
Hold on.
What the hell?
It's running.
Hold on. Hold on. Am I in position right now? Am I in position?
What position?
It's Apex is. I'm in a position right now.
Apex.
Oh, I left the. Oh, wow, I did.
You left.
I did. I left the. Wow, I'm just glad it worked out. I'm up 9K, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I left the order at 72. I didn't know I did that.
Oh, this man, wow.
Let me put this up. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm
you
talking
called,
about, baby.
You called 970. You called that.
I know, baby.
Called
I
that.
tried to charge, baby.
You called that.
I told you it was going down there, dude. I want that elevator up.
You called that. You called that.
I do it live on stream every time, baby. Every day. Live on stream, baby. Technical analysis, live calls. Do it every day. But yeah, dude, I didn't know I put a limit there. Apex account, I was like, hold up. Well, I'm making money. I didn't know I put a limit there.
Why am I making money?
Okay.
You called that. And I knew it too. I got an hour left to make some magic happen.
Dude, I should be done, right?
You should be.
I should be done.
You the GOAT. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's that dip buy you want. Yeah, looking at it. Oh, they ate all of that up. Ate it up. 33 points, and then that was like 70. Almost another 30 points. Fuck it. F it.
We do a live on stream every day, baby.
F it. Well, that XFA is blown. We'll get into Top Step again. I ain't worried about Top Step right now, but that's done.
All right, guys. I'm up 10K. I think I'm done for today.
I think you need to be done 10K. Before.
I'm done. I'm high right now, baby. I'm high off that move, boy. I'm high.
I think you need to be done.
Brandon, what should I do? Brandon.
Unplug. Hey, I'm not physically there, so I can't stop you anyway. But I unplugged that dang computer.
Well, you unplugged the computer and you were still able to trade.
I unplugged. I shut it down, but then I hopped back. I turned it back on.
Yeah.
They ate that right back up.
Mm-hmm.
Like, give me them orders. Let me see. Book map. They put all the liquidity. I mean, they could run it back up to that liquidity though.
At least a 710, dude. The underbelly of this range, at least, or in that area.
Mm-hmm. Boom.
Yep.
He said, "Oh, I put on a position." He said, "What? I put on a position?" R.I.P. XFA. Boom, 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 boom. Shutting her down. Dum, dum.
Oh, that was good. That was good. That was good. That's the power of Apex, man. Like, I ain't making that in Top Step, not no one day. Unless, their drawdown and it's just too tight.
Top Step. For which account size?
Even the 150K, I'm trading the 100K. I feel like that's like a perfect balance, honestly, for me. But that's only what $1,000 of extra drawdown.
I'd be forgetting that they got
100K.
Yeah, cause you talking about Top Step, right? I only go for the 150Ks, so.
The extra $1,000 of drawdown does come in clutch. It does come in clutch. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
It comes in clutch.
Yeah.
But when you get to payouts, man, that extra thing of drawdown is like, dude, now you gotta make a little bit more so you can cross that threshold. Because I think their threshold's at what, 4,500, and anything after 4,500 is what you can take out. So yeah, on the eval side, it's good. On the funded side, no.
You get your full cons. After 4,500, you beat that scaling plan. Get all your cons loaded up, and then the eval side, you're right, they give you access to it all. I wish, you gotta be consistent with on both sides. At least that's one thing. Apex, they're consistent. They give you your evals the same as the funded side. There's no surprises. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I will say about them. That's like, okay, y'all do got that going for you, but
you're upfront with you're upfront with your rules.
Yeah, how you
over people.
Yeah, exactly. I was about to say that. You're upfront with how you want to screw us over. Yep. 32 shorts stopped, and then they said F that, we're gonna keep it going. Even VWAP, long in VWAP, clearly would have been, because that didn't hold. Man, what if this goes down to the 40s?
Man,
it would have to eat through this this little zone here. We about to full port this thing on take profit, because I don't even we about to full port it. Full port, baby. But what do I want to do?
That's what we talking about, baby.
That's
what we talking about. Buy this thing back up, because I scale back in. I was like, oh damn. Hell yeah, scale back in. I'm high right now. I'm high right now, baby.
They bought that shit back up real heavy.
I scale back in 18 contracts at that low. I'm up 50K. Hopefully you ain't short that, Brandon.
I didn't touch it, but I did short it initially, but it stopped me out, and then I'm like, I was reconsidering, like, do I want to get back in long? And I just didn't.
I'm getting back. I got back in long.
I didn't jump on it.
Why not?
Ivan, that's the level I was looking at when we were down at the lows. That's why I was like, I don't want to jump in this right now. I don't want to do that.
Okay. Honestly, dude, I don't want to close the position. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna move my stops up to below VWAP. I'm gonna move it to 83.50. I'm gonna move it to 83.50 because I want to close it here. But dude, if this pumps up some more, I can take the small loss.
Well,
actually, nah.
Which?
This gonna keep pumping up, baby.
Hey, don't let your emotions come into play and take over. He said, actually, nah. Let's go keep pumping, baby.
Oh, you know, boy. You know I scaled back in. I was like, it's going to jump again. And when I was like, oh, man, no, don't do this. I got 18 cards. And then you got that big jump.
Oh, no.
Yep, told you. That's keep pumping, baby. Pump it up.
Hey, take your
Pump it
money.
up.
Take your money, bro.
No,
Take your
no,
money. Take
no,
your money.
No. No.
You don't hear this, man? Said no.
No, we gonna let it ride, baby. We letting it
We
ride.
full porting, baby. We full porting. We full porting. We full porting. We full porting, baby. Alright. I'll put the stop right here, just above the. Put the stop right there. Oh shoot.
Ooh. Oh, you love stuff like that. You love it. That's why we don't fuck with CO around here.
You caught the.
She don't give me 15K.
You caught the elevator
contract.
You caught the elevator up on that for sure. Oh, don't do that.
Elevator up.
Don't do that.
Caught the elevator
right
up.
Is
she dropping? Cause you know I'm still in.
Yeah, she dropping.
I mean,
did you set your stop to below VWAP?
Yeah, I'm about to probably put it back down a little bit more just in case. You know, I like to come back and try to test it. Yeah, keep on pumping up, baby. You don't need to retest or nothing. You already did all that. You don't need to retest or nothing.
We about to hit ATH. Now let's see, draw down. Yeah. I can kind of agree with that. And it's playing around VWAP too. I don't want to get stopped out there. You gonna stop me?
You know, I took some profits. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna scale out.
Oh, thank goodness.
I always get this. It always happens. This is how I blow Apex accounts by trying to let it ride with heavy sides, and it always comes back. It stops me out. But then when it starts to pump, you know I'm about to pump back in. Apex be like, damn, this guy makes 12K every day.
Oh wait, yeah, that's right. Oh. Wait, was I up?
Is it pumping?
Was I up? No, I was up.
And I scaled out. No, don't do that.
Oh, no. Okay. I gotta chill on that. Yeah, I gotta chill on that.
Chill on what?
Yeah, I gotta chill on that. That account. That's about to be done. I forgot about this stupid rule. Yeah. Alright, we'll chill on that. What am I doing? Damn, Sherm, I wish I could have caught that long with you. W.
I'm talking about all strange, dude. I'm surprised you.
I know. You know I didn't want to be a believer.
A believer?
A believer?
I don't know.
Alright. We're done here. We're done. Look at CO. Man, FCO. Alright. Now, let's see. the daily, that was, the daily, well, actually, it's a daily loss limit. The drawdown, I gotta check the thing to see where my absolute low is. But I might be pushing it. I gotta check the site, but I might be pushing it on that one. Let's see. Whew. Okay, the max. Yeah, the max is at 150, so it's back to 0. So if I go to 0, I blow that one, that take profit. Okay. Okay. Ugh. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Ew, 1K looking pretty. Looking like a pretty W. But then you got stuff over here. Like we're right up in here.
Man, if this don't just finish and pump up, like, come on, man. You're not fooling nobody.
Yo, you ain't take your profits?
No, I did not. You know I did.
You know I didn't. I'm trying to read this 15-minute, the 1K, and then let's check the hires. Gotta go back to the hires. 70 bounce.
Ah, come on, dude. Come on.
5-minute got
come
bounce.
Ah.
What's happening? Did it dump? Nah. Well, nah.
It ain't dumb, but I mean, it's just playing around.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me look at the charts, man, because I did this last week, man. Or I did it earlier this week. Being blinded by my ambitions to pass.
Mm-hmm. That's the thing. That's a real thing. You'd think today being Friday that this, but I guess, yeah, I don't know.
The algorithms don't care what day it is. They're gonna do their job. That's a good thing about algorithms. You don't have to be at the charts. Just have a robot take your trades. You don't have to be there to manage it. The robot does it for you, or the market maker algorithm does it.
Yep.
Man, this thing will just pump. Oh, come on, baby. Don't do this to me. Don't pull back. You don't need to retest the 21 anymore. You've done that already. I might have to probably stop myself out on this before I lose money.
What'd you say you were at? 15K?
Yeah. But now I'm not there anymore, obviously, with that drop.
But ES, so I'm looking over at ES. Look at SPY. SPY sitting at 474. Q's at 408. ES
All
is
right.
sitting at VWAP. NQ sitting at close to VWAP.
All right. I guess they just needed to retest VWAP, I guess. Because that shit got bought. I'm surprised you didn't get it. Like, dude, this shit got back to VWAP and got bought up.
Well, yeah, it broke VWAP the first time, and then tested your level, bounced, broke above, went back. Yeah, I mean, I'm with you. What do you think, guys? Y'all think all-time highs or not? Well, maybe not all-time highs, but at least the high, get back to high of the day, high of the session, because that did get bought back up, and it is looking a little juicy right now. And I said I wasn't gonna touch this account, but look at me over here on stream. Yeah, let me not touch that account. I said I wasn't gonna touch it. I'm about to pivot.
And should I take this? Should I take this off? I'm gonna be angry if this pumps, but then I'm gonna be angrier if it dumps.
Yeah, take it. At least you just walk away with something. Take it. CL. Where have you been all my life? Okay. I mean, it is looking like it's about to make that run higher. Obviously, we'd have to pay attention to this little chop zone here. We'd have to break that to keep pushing, but yeah.
Honestly, I'm surprised. Like what is it doing? Like, just go higher. I know you want to. Go higher.
So what are you doing? Just go higher. I know. VY, where was point of control on bookmap stayed at 1725. Yeah, that's wild. So it also stayed 1720 on my trading view. Point of control. The money's in, buyers versus sellers.
Oh yeah, is it TickStrike green?
The TickStrike is just flip green.
Okay. Alright. I feel more confident.
I'll go long again. But it's not like heavy green. It's just baby green. 6. Okay, now we're getting into 10. I mean, that's what you want to see. We ran all that liquidity.
Yeah. There we go, baby. Keep on pumping. Don't drop. Don't stop. Don't drop and don't stop.
Can't stop.
Keep on
Won't
pumping,
stop.
baby. Come on, baby. Just keep pushing, baby. Don't do this to me.
I'm your
Don't do this to
pusher.
me. Ah. Don't do this to me, baby. You don't need to retest nothing. Keep on pushing higher.
ES.
Thank you. Remember the last time I told you that I love you? When's the last time I told you that?
ES and NQ looking like they want to push higher right now. They're looking for a push.
There we go. There we go, baby. There we go. Keep
They're
pushing.
looking like they want to push.
Baby, I'm going to take you out for a steak dinner, wine and dine you, pedals on the floor and everything. You can take social media pictures. There we go, baby. Hit some targets. Yeah, I'm going to take you out tonight. Baby, how does Dubai sound, baby? 7-star hotel, baby. How does that sound, baby? Keep on pushing, baby. You can watch the sunset together and everything. Keep on pushing. Oh, don't do that.
Don't do that. ES and NQ are on the same page right now. Both of their charts look almost identical.
Does it?
Yep. Look at this, looking like it's want to flip long.
Oh, don't do it! Don't do it! Oh, no.
Wait. What just happened? What just happened?
Drop.
Oh, point of control.
Drop.
Ooh, point of control
do that.
drop.
Don't do that, baby. Hey, baby, remember that trip I was talking about, baby? Remember that trip?
It's canceled. F you.
Oh, baby, don't do this.
That's the 5. You take some off?
I took some off. You know I took some. But I'm still in like 16 contract, man.
Okay, ES still holding up though. ES is still holding up. NQ is kind of not so much. It's kind of fading a little bit in comparison. They were on the same page, but
Right
now I guess not. Where do I got ES or did I take it off? I got natural gas on here. Like I trade that. It's so I haven't touched this in so long. I still got it red and green. ES, I've missed you, baby. Actually, no, I haven't. You know I don't trade. thinking about
And
it.
if it gets to VWAP, I'm gonna have to cut this.
Yeah. Let's see. 5 minute. Okay, they ran the liquidity down, bought that right back up to go lower. Does that make any sense?
Yeah. I mean, probably retest the level. Probably retest VWAP.
Yeah.
Man, probably retest this area.
But what if it breaks VWAP? To test me and what was Ivan? I think Ivan was talking about going down to 35. Yeah, I was looking there too, Ivan. If you're still on here, 935 in that area down here. I was thinking that when we were up down here. That's why I was like hesitant to pull the trigger. But what if this is it though? What if this is it? I mean, the structure is down on that low time frame. This you can't really. Let me see 1,000.
Yeah, baby, I need you to pump. I don't need you to dump.
Let's see, drop W into this area again. Oh, CL giving life right now.
Don't say that.
Back up. All right. I just saw her because TickStrike giving that tick 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 1707.
Okay. All right.
Are they diverging? ES and NQ, yeah, they're a little bit diverged right now. So is NQ gonna pull ES down, or is ES gonna pick NQ back up?
No, NQ gonna pick herself up. She a strong, independent woman. She don't need no help from no ES.
Okay.
She don't need ES to pick her up. She's a strong, independent, beautiful woman.
You talking real nice right now. You talking real nice to her. Sheesh.
No, I'm just saying the truth. NQ is a strong, independent, beautiful, deserves a Dubai trip. That's what she
Nah, this is an uptrend on the higher time frame though. This is in a higher time frame. An uptrend on a higher time frame. We dipped into the zone again. I don't know why I didn't pay attention.
Why didn't you pay attention?
Because I'm in recovery. I'm in recovery.
Yeah, baby, keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Hit them targets, baby.
Hit push.
The target.
Where are your targets at? Let's discuss this.
Man, they're all over the place, man. They're all over the place. Remember, my 6 contract strategy goes all the way up from 9 points to 27. So they're all over the place. Keep on pushing, baby.
Push.
Keep on pushing. And then just like when my targets is above EMAs and stuff like that, there we go. Hit them targets, baby. Hit them. See, I told you, the NQ is a strong, beautiful, independent woman. She deserves the finer things in life.
Oh, that is hilarious.
Come on, baby. Don't do that. No, don't do that.
Yeah, you kind of need to get back to calling her a B, because what is it? It's lunch. Yeah, it's lunchtime. I got 30 minutes. I got 30 minutes. It's lunchtime on the East Coast. 11:30. I think people take lunch around 11
I
and
think
12.
It's 12.
11, 12,
Yeah, I think
12
it's
to
12.
1. That 2 hour window.
Ah, come on,
11 to
baby.
1.
Come on. Stop playing around with my emotions right now with this last target, nigga. Come on.
All the
Ah.
in Quisha. all the yeah, all the peons and stuff go to lunch at 11. And the real ones go to lunch at 12. Upper management. Look at this delta though on here. We're still in the 10,000s on here.
No, I'm a truster, baby. Keep on pushing, baby. We know you want to get back up and retest them highs. Come on. You don't need to stop nobody else to do that. Okay.
So, okay. you sound a little stressed out over there, just a little bit.
No, dude, I'm just high, dude. You know I am.
Yeah.
Because if this shit drops,
you want that
I got 16
up.
Contracts to the upside right now. 16 contracts to the upside.
You want that elevator ride up. I feel you. Guys, I'm tempted. Y'all tempting me. In queue. Y'all risk managers supposed to say, no, don't do that.
Yeah, risk managers.
That would be foolish.
Oh, come on. Take that target. God damn.
10 might see. Yeah. Okay.
I don't need no pullback. I don't need no pullback. No pullback. You know what? Let me just walk away from the screen. Maybe she doesn't want me to look at her.
You got your stops in place at least? If you gonna do that, put your stops in place, please. Let me be the rational one here and say, put your stops in place. Yo, push.
Okay. So I'm in 12 contracts now. I'm in 12 contracts.
The 12 cons, baby.
Now, this all happened off of what level? Off of what level?
Ah, dang. Pushing, and I'm scared to push the button. Scared money don't make money.
I mean, basically, the move already happened.
It did.
Or it's happening.
Yeah, and you don't want to be stuck in the middle. You don't want to be stuck in the middle. Heavy size stuck in the middle. Alright, let's get these alright, Apex.
Come on, baby.
Alright, Apex.
Come on, baby.
Challenge accepted, Apex. Challenge motherfucking accepted.
You gonna try to pass this in one day?
You know it, baby.
Half a day?
Half a day? 2 minutes? Alright, so that's 3, 4, 5. Hold on 1 second, y'all. I gotta get these things back up. 5, 6. We're just gonna finish out these ones here. Let's scroll down.
Oh wow, dude! I was about to take some of these contracts off and it dropped.
1, 2.
Wow.
2 more. Okay.
Wow.
You can still do it. You can still take some off.
No.
Of course not. I said no. No. Yo, push.
Mm.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Man, shit, I might just scale back in with 6 more contracts on this, man.
Oh, you crazy.
Let me just move this up a little bit.
You push.
Move my stop.
What the fuck?
No, I'm gonna keep my stop where it is. Just in case. I mean, I doubt it comes all the way back down. I doubt it.
You said you down what? Alright, I got one more. I think one more to reset. We're gonna do this in increments. We're gonna do this in small increments this time. Cause obviously what I was doing wasn't working.
What were you doing?
Trying to do it all in one in one swoop. Now I'm gonna do it in increments. Just a couple accounts here, a couple accounts there. Pass in one day. I hate Apex for that. Bringing out the degenerate in me. Make them pass in one day. A lot of red on the TickStrike, just giving you a heads up. Nothing heavy, but it is a sea of red right now.
Is it?
Yeah. Alright. Okay. We should be good. Let me give it a few minutes. And I'm gonna hop back in here. Actually, I got less than 30 minutes. Less than 30 minutes.
You can do it in 30 minutes?
Let's see. Let's find out. Let's find out.
Okay, as long as this don't touch the low VWAP.
Did you put your stops there? Cause where are you in at? Let's discuss. I'm not in nothing, obviously. I'm all out, but I'm about to.
I mean, I'm kind of back at my break even, but I scaled in. I did take that short going down, scaling in short, so my break even now is at 98. My break even is now at 98. I'm only down one can drawdown. Hopefully this is not. And it looks like the sellers are trying to sell it off at 21.
21.
They're trying. Because this shit just made a higher high. That's why I trusted this going long.
On what? On the.
Thank you. On 1,000 tick.
1,000 tick.
Yeah, it made a higher high.
I mean, yeah, it is. We got the double bottom here on the 1,000. So that's kind of good news a little bit. You know, got the double bottom here at your 970. We dipped below to like 968.
Oh, come on, dude. Just pump up.
16.
Of course not. Of course. You're gonna make me wait for it, huh? Wow. Don't make me wait for it.
Yeah. Everybody waiting for something right now. Waiting for something to happen.
What, London close or something? Is that what we're waiting on? For the London people to decide, like, huh?
To get out of
Are we
the
gonna
way.
take profits this time? We're gonna keep our positions open.
Not get burned like last time.
Yeah, shoot, the people in London probably suffering most from that PTSD drop.
Yeah.
PTS inducing.
I know a lot of y'all out there. A lot of us caught that PTSD from Wednesday. Caught the Wednesday woes. But man, oh man, is this looking like it's so looking like this could be the spot to take it higher though.
Yeah.
But like I said, I ain't been seeing stuff right all week. So ES look like it want to go to 805.
Nah, it's gonna probably stop me out. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Ah, dude. Come on, baby. Don't do that.
Yo.
Don't go further. Don't go further. Don't go further.
Yo.
Yeah.
VWAP.
VWAP. If you're man, I got stopped out. Man, god damn it.
If you're really the king.
You know what? Fuck that, bitch. I ain't take you on no damn trip. I'm not taking you on no trip. You can stay here. You can go to McDonald's or something. No. Nah. I ain't taking your ass fucking nowhere. I was gonna take you to K-pop and everything. Now I ain't taking you fucking nowhere. We could have been to Dubai. I lost 4K in that, man. God damn, I lost 4K in that. So I gotta make that 4K back. I only got 3K left to draw down.
Yo.
3K left
Chill. Yo, chill. Hey, yo, chill. Yo. You're in an emotional state right now. She don't even deserve Olive Garden. She don't even deserve Burger King.
Dude, if she pumps back up, dude, yeah, what type of VWAP not holding when you need it the most?
I know. Oh, yo, I'm sorry, y'all. JC, how heavy are you in the long? What's your size?
Yo, dude, no way, dude. Man, I'm getting back in this. You ain't gonna do this to me, bitch. God damn, she's a bitch. God damn. She didn't have to do that. Okay, for no damn reason. Oh my god. She didn't have to do that. Well, I guess. I mean, now that I'm looking at it, I do see that we did sweep the highs of 1711. We did sweep that high.
All right, y'all.
Hey, when you get high, everything goes out the window.
Yeah.
Everything goes out the window. Yo, if she pumps up, I'm throwing my laptop in my imagination. I'm gonna walk away. No way. Oh my god. I lost 4K for no freaking reason. Oh my god. See, this is why I don't trail.
Woo! 17 cons. We went full port, baby. 17 cons.
Are you short?
No. I didn't. I'm talking about JC. He took his 3 points. I feel you on that. She playing around too much right now for anything.
Man, dude, man, you know what, NQ? I'm canceling these tickets. You don't deserve this. You don't deserve this type of treatment. I was gonna do right by her, Smith.
Yeah.
This is why I enjoy the eval side of Apex. If this was funded, this is why this is why I only do business with Apex when they do for 90%, maybe 80% off. Because I like to gamble. I like their evals. I don't like the funded side because I wouldn't be able to make this much money.
How? It's almost the same thing. You can do it.
Well, you know what I mean. With that consistency rule.
Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah.
All right, let me look at this structure real quick, man. You know, because I am high right now. They are selling off of the 21 and the 50.
Yeah, this is a sloppy trash Friday.
I hate that trailing drawdown so freaking much. Oh, I hate it. I hate it so freaking much.
Name somebody who likes it. I think we all hate that mess.
I hate it so freaking much. Cause you know, I lost 4K on it for no damn reason, man. I mean, she didn't pump back up to my break even though, but still.
Yeah, you could have took less of a loss.
Yeah.
I feel you.
But dude, I'm full porting this, man, cause she's playing. I'm full porting right here. I need to get that back.
You full porting right now?
I need to get that back. Yeah, I'm about to go in 30 contracts, dude. I'm going in 30.
Just for 4K? When you made what'd you make? You walk away with 12? 11?
Yeah, I was up like 17, 18K in that drop. So, I need to get that back. You know how it is.
You know how that
I'm going full port. You know how it goes. Full port.
Off of this?
30.
Like, there ain't no volume. There's no action going on right now. It's just...
So, I need my money back. I'm going 30.
30 for 30.
Shit, either I'm gonna blow this shit or we about to be in for some glory. That's what we doing right now.
Where are you? Are you in yet? Or are you still...
Oh, no, dude, I'm in, dude.
From where?
92.
With only 3K of drawdown left?
Yep. Either I'm blowing it. Either I'm blowing it or we getting our money back, dude. That's what we're doing right now.
No.
Either we blowing it or I'm getting my money back.
No. For a disclaimer, for entertainment purposes only. This is not...
don't do this.
This is not it.
My stop is below this candle. I'm only in 18 right now. So I got a 10-point stop right now. So this is what I will say about these Apex accounts. It really has shown to me the power of being a degenerate gambler.
Hey, get out your break even. Get out your break even, man. Get out.
I'll get out that VWAP. My stop is at 86. Exactly. So it's only 6 points.
Only 6 points on 30 contracts? What's the
No,
loss?
I only got filled on 18. I only got filled on 18 right now.
Oh.
So I could probably just scale in at this bottom.
You talking about scaling in?
This is going up. At least I want it to go up.
I beg to differ.
Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Baby, we can still take that trip to Dubai if you do right by me right here. If you do right by me right here, we can still take that trip to Dubai.
Oh, shoot. That's funny. Entertainment only. Do not do not go full port with this man. Hey, I got 10 minutes. Looks like we ain't doing it today. I got 10 minutes. I don't see anything I like. We ain't doing it today. Alright, that's off. Make sure everything's off. How much is what is that equivalent to? 100 and...
We got 10 minutes. That's what we talking about, baby. Let's take that trip to Dubai together that we talked about. Let's take that trip, baby.
We going to Dubai, baby. Oh, shoot. We'll get you we'll do the blonde guy. We'll do the blonde haired guy. Sure, I'm going to Dubai, baby. Sherm is going to Dubai. Just took a trip to Dubai. I've been to Dubai a few times. It's cool at first, but then it kind of gets a little boring.
Yeah.
If anybody's been to Dubai and been to that mall, that giant, I got lost in that mall. Like, I was literally flipped. They got so much. They got a freaking like indoor well, I know they got an indoor ice skating rink. They got a snow, like a mountain where you could like ski down inside the mall indoor. Like, that mall is huge. Them people got stupid money. And I got lost in the mall.
Yeah.
Walking around.
I'm about to get stopped out at 81. Actually, let me move down to 82.
80. Yo.
90. I'm really down to 90. Just in case.
You already got... I knew you moved that thing. I knew it.
Oh, I mean, I scaled in at the bottom, you know. I mean, with this drawdown, I mean, I know I lost at least 4K. At least 4K, dude. Let's go to Dubai, baby. Let's go to Dubai, baby. Come on, keep pushing.
Go to Dubai. About to go to Dubai.
Actually, let me look at the charts, right? I'm kind of being blinded by my ambition right now.
We already know that. We already know that.
Man, this don't look like it's going up. Man, hold on.
You just now coming to that realization? And just get out. Take the...
No.
No.
No, I'll be blowing this account. We're getting our money back, baby. There's no in between.
There's no in between, dude. You're basically at your break even. Your break even should be lower now. What's it at? 90? 91?
92.
92?
It's at 92 too. Yeah.
Well, more power to you. We not doing this pass in the day. I didn't have enough time. Just reset those evals, but I didn't have enough time. Yeah, Dubai, the Dubai Mall. I literally got lost in there. I was looking for the gold souks to buy some gold in the mall, and then they got the gold souks in the streets. I never made it to the streets. Bro, cut it. You're at break even. Cut it.
Okay.
Cut it.
All right.
Cut it.
Okay.
Cut it.
All right.
No, I know you. You didn't cut it yet. Cut it.
Dude, I cut it, man. I'm not in a position anymore.
Stop lying to me and stop lying to yourself. I know you see this pump action a little bit, this baby pump. Cut it.
Baby pump, huh?
I know you still in it. I know you too well.
I wouldn't lie to you, and I would not lie to the risk managers in the chat. I am not in it.
Somehow I don't believe you. Somehow I do not believe that.
Why not?
Adding 10 at 86. Dang, gained weight. Where's your entry? Oh yeah, Cameron, I know. I was challenging myself to pass in this last 30 minutes. But then I just reset them. So I'm giving Apex more money. They taking
the money they just gave you back.
Yeah, I was about to say they taking a cut of the payout that they just gave me. They taking a portion of that back. But I mean, it's a $50 reset. He averaged down. I know. Oh, the real ones know. I know Sherm all too well. He's still in this, or he either cut it or he repositioned. Yeah, they got that. We still going on for that pass in one day thing, but I'm just throwing that out of the window for now, cause
Oh, that bitch. Oh my god.
This is crazy that you gotta just sit through this.
Yeah.
This has not been normal NQ price action. Let me take a gander at CL here. We got a nice little W pattern in CL. CL made more moves than NQ. Should have been focused. I keep saying that, but I keep going back to.
We're not going back there, man.
I keep going back to NQ. I keep saying, pay attention to CL. Pay attention. It's about to be.
All right, let's see how London's gonna close it.
Let's
see how London's gonna close it.
They gonna dump it.
They better not.
He's out.
They better run this up.
That's because you still in it, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
But then why you want to see it run up?
Spirit.
Oh, yeah. We all been there.
I'm in it in spirit, baby.
ICT. I can't trade. That's so funny. I keep thinking back to that dude in the Discord saying that.
All right, 11 o'clock on the dot.
11 o'clock on the dot. You want that drop top?
QME.
You want that drop top, or you gonna get a what's that card? I gotta look it up. I don't remember the name.
What does it do? You're trying to blow the top off. We don't need a drop top right now.
You want that Ford Pinto? Ford Pinto.
It's amazing that candles, electronic candles being painted on the screen has so much power over our emotions.
Yeah.
Candles being painted on the screen.
Oh yeah, I think some people might get faked out.
Faked out how? Going long or going short?
Going long. I think that's what they want y'all to think. I'm trying to play the same mind games that she's playing right now. I think she wants you to think we're going long. And she's like, ha, no, got him. Got him.
Got it.
Got him.
Oh, the sellers are at the 21.
21.
The sellers are selling off the 21. Okay, let me look at the options flow and see what we got a bunch of call sweeps. Got a bunch of call sweeps. I wonder if they're just trying to get as much money before this weekend. I wonder if we're going to get like a big move like at the end of the day like it's been doing this whole entire week.
Yo, that would be nuts. You know, I'd hop in that full port or scale in full port. I wouldn't hop in full port initially. But if it's a big enough move like Wednesday, I'm scaling that.
Mm-hmm.
Scaling that. Give me that. Why am I looking at? I got the CL chart up on my trading view. Like, I am curious to see, but then you gotta just, you gotta play the waiting game, yo.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the most boring part for impatient folks like us.
Mm-hmm.
7:30, 8:30, 33 points. Yeah, this has been a small range today. A sucky range. The money was made pre-market, going long.
Mm-hmm.
And something told me to go in at London Open, but I didn't. I went in my sleep. Can you imagine going like we did last time? Remember, you was like, did you hold your NQ position? I was like, nah, cut that mess. Like, yeah,
dude, that would have been dude, that was so epic if you that would have been so epic if you held
Yeah, I'd have been up. I'd have made like 50K.
Yeah.
It would have been a 50K trade. Apex would have been losing their minds. No.
And now they can't even classify that as a windfall trade because you did a free market.
Yeah,
and you just held the damn
sitting in
thing.
there for hours. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yep. That was the one to trust. I mean, CL, I thought I could trust her more at the time, which it worked out. And then, like I said, I woke up, cut the position, and then went back to sleep peacefully, and then wake up to see CL drop.
Yeah, that
biggest,
right there.
Yeah, it's like the big. Like I said, I cut the position 20 minutes before that big drop, and I was just like, yo. Good thing I was up and paying attention to it. Uh-oh, y'all taking that Dubai trip. Y'all might be taking that Dubai trip.
What Dubai trip?
I know what you're doing there.
What are you talking about? I'm not taking her nowhere. Don't deserve it. Not what she did to me. I wonder if you're going to retest some highs, baby. I wonder if we're going to retest some highs. Too bad I'm not in it, you know.
In it to win it.
Yeah. Too bad I'm not in this right now or nothing.
Boom, boom, boom.
NQ. NQ. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Brandon, I want to tell you something, man.
What?
You know I'm still in this, baby.
I know you're still in it. I know you're still in it. I knew it.
You know I'm still in it, baby.
I know you too well. I know you too well.
You know I got my money back, baby. I'm not gonna activate this. I'm over 20K. I just made fucking 21. I'm on 21K right now, baby.
Cut the trade. Hey, cut it. You better secure that. You better secure that.
No, I'm not activating this account. I don't like Apex's content. I'm not dealing with that.
Well, cut the
I'll
trade.
blow that account so damn fast.
Well,
No.
at least secure the 20K. Did you do that?
No.
What the fuck?
No. I'm not activating the account. I'm not activating it.
You don't gotta activate it. They give you time to activate it. When you.
No, I'm not trading Apex funded stuff.
Why
I
not?
like the EVA. I'm like,
Give it to me. I'll trade it.
You gonna trade my account?
I'll trade your damn account. You're like, what? Why aren't you?
Dude, I already know I'm gonna blow it, man. I'm gonna blow it on the funded side. Camera, dude.
I'll get you above the threshold, and then you can have it. I'll give it back to you.
No. No.
There's no way you just did that. Ain't no freaking way. Ain't no freaking way.
Nah. I was trailing and I got stopped down.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way. You said you were trailing? Where'd you? I can't even talk to you right now. I can't even talk to you right now. I can't even talk to you right now.
I'm not trading Apex on funded side. No. I will blow it. Dude, I probably got like 2K worth of drawdown left, dude.
Oh my god.
I
You
got
know,
2K worth of drawdown.
this is like the definition of you taking a screenshot back in the Wall Street Bets days. You just took your screenshot and then
why did she do that?
Watch it go right back.
Why did she do that? Why? What was the point of that?
Dude, where are you at right now? Can we hear some numbers, some stats? What just happened? You were up 20K.
It's like 21, 22K.
21. So what happened?
The drop, dude. You saw that big ass
I
drop
know
out of freaking nowhere?
I'm saying, well, I told you to cut the y'all. I said, get out of that. First, I said, get out at break even. He didn't want to listen, and I knew he wasn't going to listen. He over here lying his butt off. I knew he wasn't listening. You get this pump that you want, this little pump.
I thought it was going to at least retest 17.17 after my orders was like the rest of them were at.
Nah.
Dude, I just wanted the target, man. Like, dude.
Nah. At that point, nah. I can't. Yeah, I can't. I can't even agree with that. I can't even agree with that.
Well, I reached my goal. I made 22K today. I just.
Sorry, I couldn't hit my Apex challenge. Passing this in 30 minutes. There was just nothing on these resets, these evals here.
Well, I guess she heard me. She was like, dude, I just know that with Apex, I'm going to blow on the funded side. I just know. Because it took me 3 tries to get to 20K in a day. It took me 3 tries. And I'll be pissed if I went funded on this. Now, obviously, I'm distraught that drop took me out. It stopped me out. And I only got probably 1 or 2K left. And you know I'm going to gamble that away. But,
so why you even trading Apex then?
Because I don't trade my real accounts over at Top Step. I'll be pissed if I do that account. Oh my God. I'll be pissed.
Okay. Makes sense.
My XFAs are over at Top Step. I don't ever want to trade. I prefer the 5 days green, get paid 3 weeks out of a month versus that crazy ass loopholes that Apex puts you through.
Yeah.
This is just for the gambling, so I don't gamble on my Top Step accounts for this week.
Oh yeah, I feel you. I feel you on that. They're like, yeah, Sherm's out, now we go long. I'm about to hang it up.
Yeah.
I'm about to hang it up.
Good kind of industry. I think we ended up on a good note. We just got a high and we just came right back down.
Yeah, I'm about to hang this up because this is.
But let's recap, man. Like all them levels that we called out today, dude, that's 72 on the damn dot.
Yeah. That
level jumped all the way back up to what was the high? So if you got in at the level I called at 72, it dumped down to 70, pumped to 1700, dumped to 68, and I scaled back in at 68. Or not 68. When it got back up to 70, I put a limit there.
80,
I got limited in.
88, 89. Hold on, let me see. So
what are you talking about?
It dumped, yeah, it hit that level, which was right around.
It dumped 2 more points under there. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got that pump all the way back up to 17, 14. Then we got that dump. And I scaled in back in at 92?
Yeah,
or I got in at 92, and then I scaled in, and then my average entry was still at 92 for some reason. And then it pumped all the way up to freaking,
Back to
1707.
Yeah, 07.
And dropped. I was in 20K, but honestly, I'm going to be real with you guys. I wanted 30K. I wanted a 40K day. I wanted, dude, I didn't want to close the position. I was high. I'm still high off making 20K in a day. I just wanted to take that 30K, 40K screenshot. I'm not going to lie to you. Not going to lie to you.
I know.
I've been trying to get this 20K day. We got to 18K and I blew it. And then I reset the account and I got to 21K today. And then I got probably $1,000 worth of drawdown because of that big drop. I lost about 7 or 6, 5, 6, or almost probably 7K. With the trailing drawdown because I didn't take the profits. But yeah, all in all, I mean, we waited for that entry though. We waited for that elevator up though.
Yeah, you did. But honestly, in the moment though, for me, why I didn't hop in is because I felt it was gonna try to attack this level down here. Let me see. Yeah, it's the better chart. I thought it was going for 35, 40. I honestly thought it was going for this zone here. Minimum, at a minimum 950, but yeah. That's nuts.
Yeah.
Honestly, this looks like.
Yeah, next week.
Go
ahead.
No, I was just gonna say it looked like he's trying to go down further.
Yeah, I think so too. Looking at it now, looking at the structure, we broke structure, and honestly, this is what I'm talking about. When you get high, you just kind of you don't pay attention to market structure. So if you look to the left, we broke that low of 1702. We displaced down. They bought it right back at VWAP. They took it to the bottom of that range and dumped. Now, here's the thing. Here's what we were talking about earlier on the stream. Didn't we say that this was going to probably get to like 40 or 50 and then dump?
Yeah.
And look at it play out. Like, if you was short at 40 and the today's low so far is at 68. That's almost a 100-point move. That's like, what, 80, 70 points? Do some math here. You think that I would know this watching number blocks or listening to them all damn day. 968. So yeah, it made a 73-point move down so far. If you long the top and got out at the bottom. But I don't know, man. It's looking like, I mean, it looks like it can go either way. Because technically, it just double bottom at this level, at 72. It double bottom at 72 again. And you can see the buyers are buying it up. But price is, the VWAP is right here. The 21 is at 96. And the 50 is at the top of that candle at 1707. So. But.
Yeah.
I mean, Apex is I mean, it is good and bad. I think Apex out of all the prop firms, it's both. I think it's balanced because I think the cons and the pros kind of outweigh themselves. Yeah, you can go in, you have all your power, you don't have to change up your strategy. If you pass the eval, I'm pretty sure you can pass in the funded side. You just have to. I mean, the only thing that's different is now this is your money that you can get paid out on. But then, Smith, you were talking about they kind of cap you. Like, you can only take out so much at one time.
For the first 3 months, because they know that most people never make it past 3 months to withdraw the full account. You could take
and that's what's bad about Apex.
Yeah, you could take 100% after you've been trading with them for 3 months. They cap you based on your account size, how much you can withdraw. So for me, it's $27.50. That's the max I can withdraw every 2 weeks. So
so it's only $5,400, and that's why I don't necessarily care for the funded side with Apex. I mean, some people do, but then at the same time, I love and I enjoy the fact that I have access to all these contracts. I can work my way out of the position. I don't have to earn the right to trade multiple contracts. Mm-hmm. I can wait for my entry, and if it does dip down a little bit more, I can scale in. But I'm gonna get punished for that drawdown, and that's what.
Yeah,
get punished for that drawdown.
You will get punished.
And that's why I take Top Step more seriously, because I need that drawdown, because I want my target. I will eat the drawdown if I know that it's going to get to the target. Now, if it did that bullshit it did last week where it was only one tick and it drops down, well, I'll try to get out at break even, but I already know my personality, so I probably won't. I want that money back.
We already know that.
Yeah, so, I mean, I take Top Step more serious. I prefer Top Step, even though I don't like the scaling plan, even though I hate that. Even if you reach 5K and you lose that 5K and you drop down to 25K, you lose those contracts. If you take a payout, you lose those contracts. So I just hate that. But at the same time, it's better for my personality type just to trade from 1 to 3 contracts at a time, because I won't take profits unless it hits my profit. And when I get in Apex with all that contract, I start to gamble. I start a position off with 6 contracts, off rip. And I don't know why I do that in Apex, but I just do it. Obviously, I don't do that in Top Step, so.
Yeah. There's really nothing to it. Yeah. Like I said, they cap you because Apex gives you the first 25K is 100% yours. But they know that most traders won't make it to that 3-month mark where they can take out the whole, 100%. Yeah, Top Step. I like Top Step too. Don't get me wrong. I was killing it with Top Step a couple months ago. Before I went on my losing streak, I was just working them. There was like, oh no, this guy Brandon's got to be stopped. He's taking all our money, and I'm gonna get back with them. I'm gonna get back with them again. Y'all saw I just blew a freaking XFA on here.
Oh, you was in a position?
Yeah, I was in a position earlier on the XFA.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I mean,
yeah.
I find myself being more strategic. I mean, because you have to be with Top Step. I mean, you're not going to get degeneracy from me in my Top Step account because
and he's
you
serious.
Can't even be a degenerate in that damn account.
He's serious about that. He will not. Yeah, he will not be a degen in that Top Step account, which is good. But then Apex just brings that out of you. You got to trade.
That's why I enjoy it.
Trade Apex like you trade a Top Step account because you got a slow build. You got a slow build. You got a slow build Top Step.
I mean, yeah, I want to, dude. Like honestly, I try to have these conversations with myself. Like I think the first time that I ever set a limit on Apex was today at that level. I didn't even know I did that, which is crazy. Like I don't even remember setting a level at that level. But I did. That's like the first time I've ever done that at Apex. But it's just like, man, you got all that power. You get the high of getting your targets hit. You just want more, and then NQ pumps and it dumps. Like you really don't have to be strategic if you have buying power like that with the Nasdaq. If you got 6 contracts and you have a lot of drawdown, you can scout your way to 20K and have a 20K day. You can do that. But if you don't have the contract, you have to be more strategic with your entries, and you have to be more strategic with your exits and stuff like that, like over at Top Step. That's why I do business more with Top Step than Apex. I only bought a 90% off account, and I'm not taking these funded because I only spent $70 on them. So this was just for fun. And for the week of Christmas, so I don't hurt my my Top Step account because I care more about those accounts more than anything else. So because I had to put so much work into those damn accounts, I just wanted to have fun this week.
Yeah.
And I had fun this week. Man, I had fun.
Yeah, this week has been crazy. I'm about to go over my journal and see everything, all the dumb things I did, and just everything getting out of whack, out of tune with the market. Yeah. I mean, some people thrive in this type of market structure and market PA price action, but me, I'm used to bring back the old NQ price action. But we have a big move up, then a big move down, a big move up, and somewhat halfway down. Let's catch all of that.
Yeah.
Let's get back to that. CL's been kind of doing that rather than NQ, and I've been ignoring. Like, look at yesterday. Big old W pattern on CL. You could have took it.
Hold on, let me look at CL right now because I'm pretty sure she dumped, and I was talking shit about her all morning. Yeah, look at that.
She dumped earlier. Yeah, she dumped earlier.
Damn.
But kind of is trying to.
That's the thing with CL, dude. Like you really have to. Like she does make you wait for these moves. Like if you look at a CL chart, you get legs. But man, like this leg right here, like this leg started at 9 o'clock. Mm-hmm. If you got on, well, that was an hour. I mean, that whole leg straight down was 1 hour. But like I said in the sim this morning, I saw that at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning or whatever, whenever I woke up, I saw that a high was made. So I put a limit there at 87, just so I can, because I don't like to put my limits at wicks. I like to put them like maybe 2 points underneath wicks. And I got filled. I got filled at 7:56. So it took from that drop until at 3 o'clock until 7:56. I got filled. I was in this order with 6 contracts from 7 all the way up until 9 is when I finally got relief. Finally, for it to dump.
I don't mean to cut you off, but I gotta go. I got my daughter outside the room calling me. I gotta go. I'm gonna answer these questions real quick in the chat though. I use that 60K as my higher time frame.
Brandon. No. No.
I know. But and it usually takes me about, so with Top Step, they got that whole pass in 2 days thing. Before I was trying to do that, now I kind of just stopped trying to do that and just trade the account. So I would say it would take me about, because you gotta make half of the so you gotta make 4,500 and then come back and make another 4,500 to pass or whatever. They give you a little buffer if you go over, but it's like, nobody's trying to do all that. But it usually takes me, if I'm trading regular, it takes me about 3 or 4 days. I usually pass in about 3 and 4 days.
Yeah.
On a 150K account.
I think probably 150K will probably be my sweet. Well, no, I don't want to do this for like that. I'll do the 90% off, but yeah, I'm not doing that. I already know I would blow it. I know that already. I'm not gonna put myself through that. Yeah, it looks like we go down, man. Like if you look at the higher time frame, yeah, it got exactly to our level at 40. I thought it was going to push to 50, but at 40, and this is going down. I think for next week, the levels that we need to look out for and see how price reacts at that level is around 890. That's where I'm going to be looking to possibly transact. Another level that I'm going to be looking at is 930. So 930 and 890 are two levels where I'm going to look to see how price reacts, and I'll probably do business there. But honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we get to 950, 960 area, 950, and shoot up. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised with that. I really wouldn't. So we'll see what happens. We're going to let the price action tell the story, and we're going to go from there. But I know, Brandon, you got to leave, so.
Yeah, I got to head out. Y'all, those who celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. Have a good Christmas, you guys. If not, y'all have a good weekend. Get some rest. I know I am, because this has been a crazy, stressful week in these crazy markets for me. Yeah. And we'll come back and do it again Tuesday. We'll be back Tuesday.
Yeah. We'll definitely be back Tuesday. The degeneracy and all.
You ain't seen the last.
Next year, I'm gonna trade my top step accounts next week.
Yeah. I'm cut the degeneracy out. Yeah, it's time to get back to making the bread.
Making the money. Yeah. I mean, it's for the entertainment purposes.
Yeah.
Well, I guess. If y'all hear if y'all hear the entire stream, you hear the level. You hear them live. You see them work out.
And we choose to ignore them and do our own thing.
Of course, we're rebels.
Sometimes.
But all right, y'all.
Yeah. Have a good weekend. If you still trading this, more power to you. Good luck. Whoever's out there still trading this. All right, y'all.
I'm done.
Later.